Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very special niche. This is the niche about art. Now, if you want to sell artwork, how do you sell artwork on Shopify? A lot of people tend to think that Shopify is a place where you can only send products. It doesn't necessarily mean that Shopify is based in one particular niche. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that provides an opportunity for everyone from every walk of life. You can sell services, you can sell products, you can do so much on Shopify. All you need to do is understand how you will be doing these things. And that is why we are making all these amazing videos which are available on our channels to give you the right information, the right strategy, the right methodology to ensure that you know exactly what you have to do and how you have to do it. And once you understand all these elements, then execute them flawlessly, you would be able to become financially independent. And if you can dream it, you can sell it on Shopify. And you can discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs right now are choosing Shopify to build their businesses. And one of the major reasons is because you can bring your vision to life with the easy to store creators, and there's no coding expertise that you require. You don't need to hire a front-end developer. You don't need to hire a back-end developer. You can decrease your costs because everything that you want to do, you can easily do that if you don't have an account. Guys, don't worry at all. Click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. And one of the major things which I personally believe really makes this platform stand out is the fact that there's so many customizable templates that are available that you could choose from, that you could personalize and develop as your own to reflect what kind of business you're doing. And even further, they also have an app store. You can add different features and functionalities to your store as well by their store. And the one major thing that you need to understand, guys, is the fact that we live in the digital age right now. And if you want to increase your sales, if you want to increase production, if you want to get more people to come onto your platform, onto your landing page, onto your store, then social integration is the cornerstone for success. And the tools that are required to achieve this are available on Shopify. Even more than that, you can manage, you can track and look at exactly what is happening on your store. And obviously, all you need to do is focus on the growth and success of your business. Everything else is taken care by Shopify because they understand exactly what needs to be done and how it needs to be done. They are literally empowering entrepreneurs across the globe with millions of individuals right now selling on Shopify. And what we have done is that we've gone in great detail in researching and finding out exactly what the success strategy were for these individuals and what they did wrong as well at the same time. And that is how we're building all these videos to ensure that you have the right methodology, that you have the right tip, you have the right tricks, you have the right strategy to implement and execute to successfully run a business online. They're available in 175 countries. That literally means the global world is your canvas, guys, and you can draw whatever you want on it. Any art that you have lying around at home, you can sell it. If you're an artist yourself and like to draw and sell and share it with the world what your vision is going to be. With 5 million jobs that they've supported right now in this 2021, and obviously with the new year coming around right now, we can literally see that the future that we're heading into right now is based on the e-commerce, where the financial freedom that you want can be achieved by increasing your passive incomes, increasing your financial streams, increasing the methodologies by which you can increase your income. And this is literally starting with Shopify. If you understand this, if you implement this, if you execute this, you can become financially independent. And obviously with $444 billion of economical activities, even if you get a fraction of that amount, you will still be enough to survive for the rest of your life. And one of the major things where I personally feel that this has really become one of the strongest platforms in the industry is because of the support and assistance that you get. If you don't have an account, click on the description below and get your account, or just click on start free trial, answer a few questions and set up your store immediately. And this is what your store is going to look like. On the left hand side, you're going to have your orders, you're going to have your products, your customers, your analytics, your marketing, your discount. All you need to do to add a product, obviously if you're doing elements such as art, is click on add a product. Now when you click on add a product, what we're going to do is we're going to write what the title is going to be. We're going to say artwork, and obviously the description is going to be what the art is going to be. So this has to be in detail, guys, because you got to make sure sure that you actually give the full information that is required for the individuals to understand. And then you will add the artwork over here by clicking add file and set the price for this. And obviously once you set the price for it, you're going to put the product category, which is artwork over here, and obviously the type that's going to be, the vendor it's going to be. And obviously once you've done all of that, you're going to put the fact that how many of this are in stock, because this is just one. They're unique elements over here. So we're going to put a code over here as well, and we will not continue when it's out of stock. And we're tracking the quantity of it as well. We have the shipping that's available. We're going to put the weight of it. We're going to say this is 1 kg with the frame and everything over here. We got the custom information. We got all the elements over here. This project has option. It doesn't have option. And this is what it's going to look like on the search engine as well. So this is an artwork. This is under that element over here. And all we need to do is click on save, and this has been saved. It is as easy, as straightforward as that, guys. Now, once you've done it, what you have to do is very simple, guys. Go and select a theme, because a theme is literally one of the most basic elements that we need to have. And obviously the best place to get the theme is going to be themeforest.net, and search for art. And as you search for art, you're going to have 1,573 items that are going to come. And this is an opportunity, guys, for us to understand that this is how the system works. This is a strategy. This is a tip that you created on Shopify, that you want to get a theme that is well designed, that is well developed by individuals that understand the mechanism, understand the business psychology, understand the consumer philosophy of how they are thinking and how what they want to buy. And these are very strong themes that have been developed by individuals. For example, the red artist portfolio is quite interesting. If we go over here, we're going to select which one we want. As you scroll down, there's so many available, but we want to get the best of the best to ensure that we have the right elements and we can actually use those elements in our favor. This one looks absolutely brilliant. So let's check this out. This is what the red art digital paintings looks like. Just look at the way they've developed this. This is absolutely beautiful. And the reason why I absolutely love this is the way the presentation is done. This is an art related product. You want a landing page that a customer is going to see and feel that this is something that is of value. And obviously you can raise your prices based on the fact that how strong your presentation is going to be. And as an artist, that is literally one of the major things that an individual needs to keep in mind. And with this theme, you can do so much. You can change it. Let's go for a lighter scheme. This is how it's going to look on a light scheme. Just look at that. That is absolutely brilliant. We can change the colors as well if we want to. It's quite easy, guys, because you need to make sure that all the elements that you have really stand out and have a direct effect. Let's change the color over here. Can you see how that changes everything? It really brings out the elements. I love the dark. I love the yellow. I love how that works. I love how it all comes together. If you click on the top over here, each one of these elements are actually clickable. It shows you exactly how they are. If you want to go for nature, you can check nature. You can look for people. You can look for people. You can look at streets. You can do what street sort of elements that you have. All your pictures are going to be over here, and people can directly buy them from here. And that is the beauty of it. All the shops are available. Everything has been integrated. All you need to do right now is get this theme, put your pictures, put your price, and you're good to go with Shopify. It is as simple, straightforward, and easy as that. If you have any questions whatsoever, guys, you can always ask me in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, and assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.